Welcome to Books, the part of BarGuard that turns all your numbers into one clean profit and loss statement. No spreadsheets, no accountant guesswork. If you track your sales and your expenses in BarGuard, Books builds your real operating P&L automatically. Let me show you around. Open Books from the menu, and the first thing you see is your statement for the current period. Right at the top is revenue. That is every dollar that came in. Below that is cost of goods sold, the actual dollar cost of the product you poured, pulled straight from your recipes and your counts. Subtract one from the other, and you get gross profit, the money left after the liquid in the glass is paid for. Keep scrolling, and you hit your operating expenses, grouped by category. Rent, labor, utilities, supplies, whatever you have been logging. Take those out of gross profit, and you land on net profit, the number that actually matters. And see the percentages on the right? That is each line as a share of sales, so you can spot the moment labor or poor cost starts creeping. Need a different window? Use the period control up top. Jump to this month, last month, or set any custom date range you want. The whole statement recalculates instantly for that period. Now, where do those expenses come from? The expense hub. Hit quick add, drop in the amount, pick a category, and it is booked. That is it. Do it from your phone the second a delivery shows up, and it lands in this month's P&L automatically. For the bills that hit every month, set them up once as recurring. Rent, insurance, your software subscriptions. BarGuard shows you everything due this month in one checklist. Tap post to book it, or skip if it does not apply. It takes one tap, and you never touch a spreadsheet. When a month is done and the numbers are final, close the period. That locks it. The statement freezes exactly as it stands, so a late expense or a recount cannot quietly change a month you have already closed. Need a correction? Only an owner can reopen it, so your closed months always stay trustworthy. Got more than one location? Flip the toggle to all locations. Books rolls every bar you own into one consolidated P&L, with each location broken out underneath. One screen, the whole company. And when you need it on paper, export. Grab a clean CSV for your bookkeeper, or download the branded BarGuard P&L, a polished statement you can hand to a partner, a lender, or your accountant. Same numbers in every format, right down to the cent. That is Books, your whole bar in one clean statement.